Luis, I didn't film it. You didn't say go. No. Yeah, start over. Don't actually, no, the only people that would actually hear that would be me and everybody. No, don't erase it, don't erase it. Alright, just leave it. Who cares, just... Right. Fail. Alright. You don't have, you can just stop it, I'll cut it out later. The parts that you just get rid of. What? You video him. No. Hey, were you just filming me?
No, because you were in there.
Yeah, I'm allowed to be in it, but you cannot film me. You have to film Luis still. Wait. Run to the copper! Run to the copper!
I got you back! Let us go.
Guys, we're ending off of it. Oh my god, he gets his stuff. Wait, so guys, we're ending of it. Abraham says one.
I guess no in my face. Help me, so. Let me clean this off.
Just shake off. Like, shake it off.
Oh, it goes cool.
Battle went faster, so he won. Luis lost. Well, me next time, Luis will win. Hey, what do you want?